What do we have? Oh, Surging Sparks. I fought y'all. Got a little too excited on that one. Crack this baby open though. Hopefully this that Pikachu everybody be talking about. You know what I'm saying? It's all y'all right there. Oh. Put it from the wrong way, y'all. See what we can get in this baby. Let's see what we pulling today, y'all. Deduction kit. Alright. Okay, we got a reverse hollow. Catch them on. Nice. Man, that don't look like nothing back there, y'all. I hope it was. Man. It's all good though. All good.